Weight management is a very difficult process. It usually involves the use of supplements or medicine coupled with rigorous physical exercise and diet. All these processes involves lots of time and human efforts. What if you have a natural product which can cut down your weight in minimum time and less efforts? Surprising, is it? Hello Vivites, this is Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda, with several years of experience in research and development of natural and wellness-based products. Today, I am going to explain you all about a fabulous product from Indus Viva, the iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. iSlim Flat Tummies is a unique product in the weight management segment from Indus Viva. This is a proprietary formulation which is delivered to you in a crunchy bar form. iSlim Flat Tummies Bar is composed of US patented herbal extracts, multivitamins, multiminerals, protein premixes, enzymes, amino acids, dry fruits and nuts, and an enchanting chocolatey taste, all of which makes iSlim Bar a unique product in the holistic management of overweight and obesity. I have come across several patients in my clinical practice with complaints of overweight and its complications. Majority of them ask me these questions. Can we cut down our overweight and obesity by the use of wellness-based products? Can we cut down our overweight by the use of natural and holistic-based products? Ease of use is also a question. We are in fact fed up of using such natural supplements which are mostly protein-based and pose a lot of side effects. I always tell my patients that 19th and 20th century was all about infectious diseases. But as we entered the 21st century, the metabolic disease is a main killer which includes the maladies of overweight and obesity. In general, if a person's body weight is 20% higher than it should be, he or she is considered to be obese. And as we all know, India ranks third in obesity, followed by US and China. The underlying cause of obesity is mainly the consumption of westernized foods which are rich with processed fat, protein and sugars. People also become obese because of habits like alcoholism and smoking, lack of sleep, stress levels, lifestyle changes, and genetics also play a very important role in the manifestation of overweight and obesity. Childhood obesity is haunting India today. Our children have become fussy eaters and have succumbed to junk foods. Without lack of proper exercise and nutritious food, they are prone to obesity as well. Prescription-based products and surgical options are available these days to combat overweight and obesity. Instead of cutting down the body weight, these synthetic products will actually cause adverse drug reactions to the human body. My patients usually ask me diet suggestions that is to be followed in their day-to-day life to cut down weight and to keep them fit. Well, I usually ask them to follow a diet which has less carbohydrates and starch, less oil and saturated fat, optimum proteins, optimum vitamins, more water consumption, and use of fresh fruits and vegetables. All said and done, is it possible for a human being to use this in a day? Certainly not. After exhaustive years of research on weight management natural products, I came across this innovative product from Indus Viva called iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. In fact, the composition of iSlim Flat Tummies effectively addresses the needs of a person who wants to cut down his or her weight in a convenient and comfortable manner. iSlim Flat Tummies is composed of FB3 fusion ingredient, which is a US patented herbal active blend. FB3 stands for Fat Burner 3, which is a composition of 3 standardized botanical extracts. They are Salacia reticulata standardized to selacinol, Coleus forscoli standardized to forskolin, and Sesamum indicum standardized to sesamolin. There are lots of preclinical and clinical trials on FB3 which has shown its weight management potential. Apart from FB3, iSlim Flat Tummies also has a good combination of soy protein and whey protein concentrates which augment the activity of FB3, bringing about healthy weight loss. In addition to these, it also has goodness of oats and ragi, which is nothing but finger millet fibers which will help to reduce the tummy fat. Unique combinations of Indian ginseng and mucuna extract show antioxidant activity and reduces the stress during weight management process. iSlim Flat Tummies has very less calories, low sugar, and it is 100% natural. In addition to this, it is free from harmful chemicals, preservatives, pesticides, and has no side effects. iSlim Flat Tummies is suitable for all age groups and gender, including kids. It is also suitable for people with diabetes, hypertension, and heart diseases. It can also be safely used in pregnant women and during breastfeeding also. For better results, I would always suggest you to use iSlim Flat Tummies Bar in the night by skipping the dinner. One good news is you need not skip your breakfast or lunch during the consumption of iSlim Flat Tummies Bar. Ice Slim Flat Tummies can be used for longer duration with appropriate diet and lifestyle. To keep yourself energetic and fit during the weight management process, I would always suggest you to have physical activity for half an hour in a day. Always have fresh fruits and vegetables. Cut down on your oil and saturated fat and consume at least 4 liters of water. So munch an Ice Slim bar and trim your tummies naturally.